Hi, it's Jacob here, and in this short quick tip video, I'm going to show you how you can change the volume of the alarm on the iPhone. More often than not, it's either incredibly loud or nowhere near loud enough. It never seems to be just in the middle in that sweet spot. Well, let me tell you how we can fix that. So the alarm that's just gone off, my 12:55 alarm, which is purely for this video, is very, very quiet. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to snooze the alarm and jump into the Settings app on my iPhone. From here, we're going to scroll down Settings slightly and tap onto Sounds and Haptics. And there in the middle, we've got some options to change the alarm sound. Now, it's weird that it's in here, not in the clock app, but we'll let that go for now. And there are two different things that we can do. There's a little toggle switch here which will let you use the volume buttons on the side of your phone to turn up the alarm at the same time as changing your ringtone volume. However, for me, the little slider is much easier. I'm just going to drag that slider across to the right, turn the volume up of the alarm, and when I let go, you're going to hear the alarm at the proper volume like this. Yeah, that'll definitely wake me up. And from now on, that alarm volume is set for all of your alarms, all your snooze timers, everything you need. So, job done. I'll see you next time for more iPhone quick tips.